I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Love Story on the ukulele. We'll start by mastering the four main chords: C, G, a minor, and F. These are super common, and once you get them down, you'll be able to play many other songs too. Focus on pressing your fingers firmly to get a clear sound from each string. Take your time with each chord, making sure every note rings out beautifully before moving on. This foundation is key to making the song sound great. Now that you have the chords, let's add a simple strumming pattern. We'll use a basic down, down, up motion. This pattern is versatile and fits the song's rhythm perfectly. Remember to keep your strumming hand relaxed and maintain a consistent tempo. Try practicing this pattern without any chords first, just focusing on the rhythm. Once you feel comfortable, you can then incorporate the chord changes smoothly. This will help build your muscle memory. Smooth chord transitions are crucial for a flowing sound. Practice moving between C and G, and then between a minor and F. The goal is to minimize any pauses as you switch chords. A great tip is to use a metronome. Start at a slow tempo and gradually increase it as you get more comfortable. Dedicate about 10 minutes each day to these transition drills. Consistent practice will make your fingers more agile and your playing much smoother. You're now ready to put everything together and play Love Story. Start by combining the chords and the strumming pattern for the verse, then move on to the chorus. Don't be afraid to play along with the original song to help internalize the timing and feel. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you play, the more natural it will become. Have fun with it and enjoy sharing your musical talent with this beautiful song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.